guys, welcome back. So today I've got an unboxing to show you, and it's from HRH Collection, and I've told you in my previous videos how amazing this company is, and Alex, the person that founded the company, she's literally the most amazing person. She has jewellery pieces on her website, and she sells clothes, and it's a bespoke company, so it's very personalised, and everything's made to order for you. It's customised. It's just an amazing company. And when I received the order this morning, one of my 2 orders, I just couldn't believe it. I was so excited. I'm just so over the moon to receive these amazing pieces from her. The website is called The website is called shophrh.co, so I urge anyone to go onto the website and have a look at her amazing jewellery. It's just unreal. The quality, the way that she, creates the pieces. She makes the bracelets. They have very vintage, rare stones, so you can't find them anywhere else. And the quality, I mean, because I've seen them face to face, and even in pictures, it's just exceptional. But face to face, in real life, they're just out of this world amazing. So I'm really over the moon with my purchase from Alex. So first of all, I want to take you through what I'm wearing, because I do this all the time. Parting's all right. And I think it's fun. So first of all, I have my eyebrows, obviously. I'm wearing the Goof Proof brow pencil, and I'm using the little spoolie and the applicator, is it, just to draw them on. And I've done it a very simple look. I haven't used my Givenchy brow filler, because I just wanted more of a natural look. I then have on my eyes, I have the Morphe palette. Sorry, my camera's... which is the 350 palette, I think. And I have it in, I've used this mauve kind of peachy colour, orange colour on my eyelids. I also have this lipstick on, which is a coral kind of lipstick. It's called Sun Kiss, and it's the matte collection from Max Factor, and it's beautiful. Very vibrant, very bright. It makes a statement, and I think it looks good on my skin tone, because I'm quite pale at the minute, and it just makes a really dramatic kind of look, and I think that looks really striking. Been obsessed with this lately, actually. This is the Max Factor one. Then I also have my jewellery. It's very gold at the minute. I was into kind of silver for a long time, and this piece of hair is really annoying me. I was into gold for a long time. Not gold. I was into silver for a long time, but I just wanted a change. So I've matched my jewellery to one metal, which is the gold. And I think it, it adds a different vibe to your everyday look. So I'm wearing this nose stud, and if you've noticed on my previous videos, I've always worn like a sterling silver nose ring. But I just thought it was time for a change, it's something different, and it seems really strange looking at my face on the viewfinder to not see the nose ring. But I think it's more of a delicate kind of look. It's still, you can still see it, but it's very discreet and soft rather than the nose ring, I find. So this is the 16 karat gold nose ring with a diamond. I then have these gold hoop earrings. These are 16 karat gold from Rock and Rose, and the website is absolutely amazing. You can get so many high quality pieces of jewellery. And I have this gold lip stud here. Now I was debating taking it out, because I did have it pierced a long time ago, but it was almost like I can't bring myself to do it, but we'll just see how it goes with that. So the last thing, I have this sterling silver choker necklace, and it's beautiful. It kind of glistens. It looks like it's just, you know, glistening on your neck, and it's got like gold ball details around it. And I think it looks really really lovely. It goes with everything that you and anything that you're wearing. So I thought that was really really cute. So sterling silver as well. So it's the only thing not gold that I'm wearing, but I think you can't really tell. So I think that's gorgeous. And talking about HRH collection, she does have some amazing clothing pieces on her website, and I'm wearing one today. This is the Slinky Tee in smoke black. I did wear the skinny latte tee, I think it was about 2 or 3 videos ago, and the quality is out of this world amazing, unreal, slinky, gorgeous, so soft, and it's like butter, honestly. It's just so amazing. It sounds stupid, but and these are beautiful. They flow so lovely on your skin, and they're amazing. So amazing. And the colour, it comes off dark on the video, but it's a very light pastel kind of smoky black. I think it's got smoky or smoke black. But everyone, please go to shop hrh.co and just have a look at Alex's amazing pieces. You will not be disappointed. It's just quality, beautiful, opulent, striking, just breathtaking pieces that she designs all by herself. And I think that's just so admirable. I can never say that word. So admirable of her, because she, you know, she started from the beginning 6 or 7 years ago, and she's created such an amazing life for herself, doing what she loves to do, and that's, you know, jewellery. And not to mention what an inspiration she is to me. She's just such a lovely person, so badass but cool. She has so many lovely nice things, but she stays so grounded, and I want to be that successful where I can, you know, have such an amazing beautiful lifestyle like she does. She's just amazing. So this is the package that one of the bracelets came in, and can I say shipping is literally 1 or 2 weeks, and it's obviously come from LA, and that is amazing. Standard shipping also, just amazing. So this is the little dust bag pouch, and this is just adorable with HRH on it, and it feels really plush and thick and just quality. And also, every order comes with a special postcard from Alex, and that is Alex's hand there. Such a beautiful picture. And it says, "Thank you so much for your order. Lots and lots of love, Alex." And she wrote that, I believe, or it could be just a text, but that's so personal. It's so personalised. You didn't have to do this. And I received 2 of these, so I'm going to put them up somewhere, because it's just the experience. I love the experience of buying something and being just taken aback with the amazing experience. It's a little thing, like she didn't need to include this. It's, you know, the paper when she wrapped one of my other pieces, just amazing. So this is the Privé line, and it's a new line that Alex has created, featuring a lot of sterling silver and 14 karat gold filled jewellery. And it normally comes with a Privé box, but I saw her amazing zippy pouches, and I needed this in my life. So this is the zippy pouch. It's just amazing. It's an AB kind of shimmer, and I'm going to use this to put my jewellery or my cards, and it's honestly, in real life, it's amazing. So let's have a look to see what's inside here. So this is the bracelet. It's just striking. This is the mignon bracelet. I think I'm saying it wrong. And it's just so luxe and thick and lovely. The colour is like butter gold, and it's mirrored as well, so you can see like how the camera's not doing it justice, but it's just insanely beautiful. Such a quality piece, and she actually has her initials engraved on here. I don't know if you can see. That's the engraved HRH. Is it a lobster claw or I can't remember what it's called, but it's very big and it's beautiful. So I'm just going to pop this on now and I'm going to show you how it lays on the wrist. Now you can get these customised, the length of the chain depending on your wrist, but I didn't get mine customised. I think it fits, is it a 6-inch wrist, I believe. But I mean, look at this beautiful piece. It's like a butter gold, and it just shines. It's just the most amazing, gorgeous looks bracelet, and I'm just so happy with it. So happy. And I love the kind of it gives such a like a hard kind of vibe with the chain, but it's still like feminine and cute and gorgeous. The second item that I received from HRH Collection is this HRH Dauphine bracelet. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right because I'm rubbish with pronunciations, but this is beautiful, and this is the Unicorn AB stone, and it's a real stone with a pin at the back, very vintage and rare stone. The light reflects on it, it's just on another level. It's beautiful, absolutely amazing, and it's delicate but heavy. And I got this in a silver because I thought the contrast would be absolutely stunning. So I'm just going to pop it on now for you. And I love how they intertwine with each other, and I love how this is slightly longer, so this just stays, you know, on your wrist. And if you wanted, you could also just flip it round, you know, wear it. They just complement each other, and that's what Alex has always said about her line. You know, each piece goes well with anything. You know, you can mix and match metals, and everything just goes so hand in hand. And she's so correct. So they're my beautiful bracelets from HRH Collection. I can't wait to go outside in the sunlight to see, you know, how well it shines and glimmers. I'm just so pleased with it. So pleased with these orders. Beautiful. So everyone, please go to shophrh.co and, you know, have a look at her stuff. You will not be disappointed. I've now bought two t-shirts from her and 2 bracelets, and will continue to buy. I really have my eyes on her bag chains. They're just amazing. I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing of these amazing pieces of jewellery. I hope everyone has a really good day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.